How can I search for photos on my device based on who or what is in the photo? Let's start with iPhones. When you tap search in the Photos app, you see suggestions for moments, people, places, and even categories to help you find what you're looking for. You can type a keyword in the search field up top, something like a person's name or a date or a location to help you narrow down what photos contain and what you're looking for. You can even type an event like a concert. If you don't find what you're looking for at first, feel free to type out a couple or multiple keywords until you locate what you're searching for. Now, on to Androids. Make sure you've downloaded and installed the Google Photos app. Open it up, sign into your Google account. At the bottom, tap Search. To search by text, just tap on the search box at the bottom and enter, or also type a name or a nickname if you labeled people in your photos. You can even look up pets. You can even look up things like objects in the photos or a wedding you attended. Scroll to the bottom for other things to search like screenshots, selfies, and or videos. I hope this helps. I'm Kevon Morrow. Thanks for joining us. What was I supposed to say there?